This is Siquijor, a small island in the Philippines located south of the islands of Cebu and Bohol. The island is known for its beautiful beaches and stunning nature, such as waterfalls, palm trees, and rice fields. Siquijor is much quieter than places like Cebu, Coron, and El Nido, allowing you to enjoy it even more. In this video, I'll share information on how to get there, where to stay, and the attractions and activities you shouldn't miss during your visit to this green island. First, how to get there. As Siquijor is a small island, there are no commercial flights to the island. Siquijor does have an airport, but it is only used for chartered private planes. Therefore, most people travel to Siquijor by boat. Are you traveling from Cebu? The direct ferry from Cebu to Siquijor La Reina port departs from Lilon port in Santander. This ferry, operated by Mayo Shipping, leaves 5 times a week. Since the departure times and prices changes a lot, it's best to check their Facebook page or with your accommodation for the most up-to-date schedule. The crossing takes about 2 hours. Other ferries, such as Ocean Jet, run more frequently, but they involve a stopover in Dumaguete or Bohol. If you're traveling from Bohol to Siquijor, you can take a direct ferry from Tagbilaran port. The crossing takes approximately 2 to 3 hours and brings you either to La Reina port on Siquijor or to Siquijor pier. Then, where to stay? Most hotels and restaurants are located in the southwest of Siquijor in San Juan. If you prefer to have everything close by, this is a good location to stay. We stayed at Nakabalo Guest House and Restaurant ourselves, a beautiful accommodation with a stunning infinity pool where you can relax. Highly recommended. Keep in mind that this accommodation is situated on top of a hill, so having your own motorbike is desirable. About things to do. Since Siquijor is relatively small, it's the perfect island to explore by scooter or motorbike. If you ask us, this is the most enjoyable way to discover the island. Ride through various towns, along roads surrounded by palm trees, and past beautiful rice fields. Most accommodations offer motorbike rentals. We rented a motorbike for 2 days and the cost was around €6. For refueling, we only spent about €2.50. On Siquijor, you will find numerous waterfalls, making it perfect for a day or even 2 of waterfall hopping. Here are our favorites. The Cambuga Falls is undoubtedly the most popular waterfall on Siquijor. The waterfall has multiple levels and the water has a beautiful blue color. You'll also find the Insta-famous bamboo raft here, where you can capture some beautiful shots. For the real daredevils, there is a high Tarzan swing from which you can plunge into the water. A little tip: if you want a picture without other people, make sure to arrive before opening hours, which is 8 a.m. The premises are technically still closed, but you can already reach the waterfall and you'll likely have it all to yourself. We paid 20 Philippine pesos per person for the entrance fee. The Lugnason Falls is a small waterfall surrounded by a beautiful green jungle. On sunny days, the pool at the bottom of the waterfall is a vibrant blue color. However, when we visited Lugnason Falls, it had just rained, making the waterfall more greenish in color. Nevertheless, it's still a beautiful spot. The Lugnason Falls can be visited free of charge. The Lokong Falls is also a small but amazing waterfall to visit. This waterfall with a small cave is a hidden gem in the middle of the jungle. It's much quieter here compared to other waterfalls, so there's a good chance you'll have the place all to yourself. You'll also find a Tarzan swing, lounge chairs, and tables and chairs for picnicking. We paid an entrance fee of 50 pesos per person. Last, the Kawasan Falls and Cave, another less crowded waterfall. The unique feature of this waterfall is that you can swim through it and enter a small cave. The waterfall can be visited for free, but we had to pay 10 pesos for parking our motorbike. You'll also find several beautiful beaches on Siquijor where you can relax and completely unwind. Since the island is not as touristy as places like El Nido or Coron, the beaches remain relatively untouched. Peloton Beach is a stunning white sandy beach surrounded by a number of enormous palm trees. This beach is also the perfect spot to catch the sunset. Another beach we can recommend is Chubut Beach, a beach located behind Coco Grove Resort. Here you'll also find the Tubet Marine Sanctuary, a protected reef area ideal for diving and snorkeling. Like Peloton Beach, Tubet Beach is a great place to witness a breathtaking sunset. While you're exploring the island by motorbike, you can make a short stop in the village of Tigbawan. Here you'll find the Latsi Church, one of the oldest churches in Siquijor, renowned for its massive convent. If you're feeling hungry or thirsty, be sure to visit 24 Restaurant and Burger Bar. Want to spend a day with a cocktail in hand at a luxury beach club with an infinity pool? Then visit Runic. Although this place feels nothing like the Philippines, it's the perfect spot to laze around, enjoy some delicious food and cocktails, or smoke a shisha while watching the sunset. Speaking of food and drinks, there are several restaurants and bars to be found on the island. Some of our favorites are Luca Loco for breakfast or lunch, Monkey Business, Baja Bar, 24 Restaurant and Burger Bar, and as I mentioned before, Runic. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it or found it helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you don't miss any future videos. I hope to see you for my next one. Bye!